Board kibabania. Shongknor Jong National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Priyang kanunggu ula Pynlong ya ka Jingialang Jong kitanat sorkar ban khmi bania ya ka hok Jong ki khenna ha Meghalaya. Kanunggu ula banjur halor ka jing donkam Jong ki khenna ban yo ya ka jing late school ka babiam bat ula batharu badai ban wat ya ka jing don Jong ki madrasas ha ka jilla. Ula pentip baki don hadu 1,000 ngut ki khenna ki baduna khot met ha ka jilla. Laispa an riu pasau ngut ki khenna ki basha kta ha ka jing pang HIV. Ula ai jing mut baki pulit officer kinthei ki deiru bantrei kum ki child welfare officer ula ong baki pulit ki don kam ban long ki bapet perman ha ka biadei bat ka jing di ya ki schedule H bat schedule X drugs. Ula kren da kabating ru ha ka biadei bat ki jingjia ki bahap ha ka Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act R1000 khatar da ka baong ba ya ki te ki mokaddama don kam ban bishar da ki yeng bishar ba kerpang.
We have received the information that about 364 children are infected with HIV positive. So we have requested Department of Women and Child to examine all of them. If they are eligible, to provide them a sponsorship under Section 45 of JJ Act, so they can receive the monetary benefits. We have also requested them that the state is having 8,000 adult people with HIV positive. So we have requested them that examine these families. If they have any child and who is needy and eligible for the benefits of sponsorship, provide them with the sponsorship benefits.